Championship.
Here we go.
Your official for this contest, Ray Kennedy.
Why?
Introducing first.
Can't you call him sick? Boo! Boo! Little leaguer.
Your former ACW champion, John DeSoul!
Shut up. Former owner. Little leaguer. The Wiggles.
From San Francisco, California, weighing in at 178 pounds, Flyboy, Andrew Cass.
This handicap match.
If it's the diesel power trip, it's never by the rules. The only way they win is by having an unfair advantage.
Get out of here!
You guys need to hug each other. Hug each other, you'll get stronger.
Get out of here!
Boo!
Come on! Let's go!
Tripp, what happened?
Get him in the ring!
Tripp, get up! Your onesie's getting dirty. That's a pretty onesie.
Do not disrespect the Golden Athletic Apparel.
Oh, snap.
Oh, shit.
You're the onesie? That's gotta be bad, man. You'd have more protection if it wasn't a onesie!
Tripp, your onesie's getting dirty.
That hurts! Oh, dude, you skin your...
It's a onesie. Who's legal?
Get some order, ref!
Hey, Ray, get control. Oh.
About time. Let's go!
Let's go, get him out the corner. Let's go, up.
Hey, Tripp, does your chest look like mine?
You're
That hurts. Come on.
Come on, OC. Uh-oh.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Right there. He's right there. Oh. Here we go. Come on, Joe. Diesel. Diesel.
What? Diesel?
Diesel power. Diesel power.
Gas. I got gas. Come on, Ray.
What is this handicap match?
It's a onesie!
Get control, Red.
3, 4.
Disrespect.
Do it again on this father fight. Off the rope.
What about the hair?
Get off the hair. Let's go.
Come on, Cass. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
No.
Go, Tripp.
I'm going to go to the bathroom. Yes, it is.
That was 3.
That was 1.
That was 0. Come on, Joe.
Former owner. Ref. Ref.
Oh, now you're doing it.
Oh, now you want to do something.
Now you're trying to get control.
Ref. You're missing the whole match, dude.
That's what I call teamwork.
And bad officiating. Fresh.
Oh, that's what we needed. Get him out the ring, ref.
Two. Fresh. Oh,
Already?
do not let these guys. There you go. There we go.
That was 3.
Come on, Ray. Fresh. Yeah. He's the main event against Christina.
Oh, yeah. Gain control, ref. What's going on?
Where's the tag? Oh, shit. Here we go with the BS. Oh, Roxbury bottom. New champ.
Fire this
Oh shit.
Once again,
You suck!
yeah, 3 beats! 3 beats! Jabs, baby! 3 times! 3 times! 3-time bronze!
What?
Fair and square? Okay. That doesn't really matter because 3 on 2, fair and square. 3 on 2.
A year ago, I was taught a very important lesson by, you guys.
What's that?
Oh, you're gonna give him the rematch.
That
can
former
teach.
champions are contractually obligated
Oh!
to a championship rematch.
Immediately!
When do we want this?
Now!
When do we want this?
Now!
When do we want this?
Now!
I think me and Kaz want our contractually obligated championship rematch. Right now!
What happened, Tom? They're gonna lose.
Get a new round!
It's a onesie. It's a onesie. Coward! Coward! Coward!
Hey boys, it's me, it's good old Magnum AD, and well, I absolutely love to inform you that this rematch, by the power of Steven Larson, happens right now, and it's only gonna be 2 on 2. Start this match right now!
You got knocked the truth out.
He's dragging him away!
And your new ACW Tag Champion,
Let's go, OC! Bye, daughter.